In this video, we'll talk about issuing items out of inventory. This week, our crew has finished repairs on our trucks, and the 5 shift levers on the blue shelf have been installed. We don't need to track them anymore, so I can either click the red checkout icon or drag the items over to the checkout area on top. I'll grab them all, and I'll say, installed during repairs. And I'll make sure to reference the work order, WO-45B. Okay, great. They're gone, and the blue shelf is empty again. There was one more thing I wanted to do. When we moved the items from the basement to the shed for renovations, we noticed that one of the auger motors has completely rusted through, and we can't repair it. Also, 2 of the deck pipes are dented, and I'll have to throw these all out. I'll click the red checkout icon, and I'll click once for the bad motor and twice for the 2 dented pipes. I should leave a note here so my team isn't confused. Let's see. Motor rusted and pipes bent during storage. All right, that's all for now. Follow me to the next video and I'll show you how to adjust your inventory counts.